afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Aarti Kamath, consultant pediatrician with Jahangir Hospitals. So today I'm going to talk to you all about immunization in COVID times. As we know, in these unprecedented times, parents have been very anxious about stepping out with their children for routine immunizations. They ask, why? Why should I get out and immunize in these times? But dear parents, routine immunization are against pediatric infectious diseases which can be equally, if not more, dangerous than COVID, and they are completely preventable by a routine childhood immunizations. And if social distancing, mask etiquettes, sanitization are adequately maintained, you will not get COVID by visiting your doctor for immunizations. So please go ahead and prevent your child catching these infections in these times. Second question that parents often ask is if I have delayed an immunization or missed going for immunization because of lockdowns or any parental issues or family issues at home, what do we do? Do we need to restart the schedule? Well, there is no need to restart the schedule. You can carry on from where you left it. In case your child has recovered from COVID, you can take the vaccinations 4 weeks after the onset of symptoms or 2 weeks after recovery. By chance, a child had a severe disease, which is not very common in children, and needed some medicines and ICU care, then vaccinations may need to be deferred for up to 3 months. Now, by chance, you land up vaccinating your child if he was asymptomatic for COVID or in the incubation period of COVID. Should you be worried? Studies show there is no reason to worry even then. Now, next question many people ask, what is the role of BCG and MMR in protection of COVID? Well, these two vaccines, studies have shown don't protect against COVID, but both of these are very important childhood vaccinations against tuberculosis, measles, mumps and rubella, and this should be done as scheduled by a doctor. Another question a lot of parents asking these days are about the flu shots. Now, these flu shots are not something new or something against COVID. They are the same yearly flu shots which have been recommended by the Indian Academy of Pediatrics for children less than 5 years and children more than 5 years who are at a risk of severe disease, such as children with heart disease, lung diseases, asthma, etc. So why so much of discussion of them this year? Because as we know, monsoon season is coming up and also the third wave predicted in children if at all it comes. Now the symptoms of even your flu being a respiratory virus are very similar to your COVID, such as fever, cough and cold. And at these times, if a children does get a fever, there will be a lot of panic amongst parents and also a lot of rush to the healthcare systems. And that is why the flu shots have been recommended. But I repeat, they do not protect against COVID and they are not vaccinations against COVID. But the last question, when will we get a COVID vaccine for our children? Well, yes, that's one thing we are all waiting for. Trials are on and I'm sure in the near future we will get one. But till then, dear parents, SMS, social distancing, mask, sanitization are our biggest vaccinations against COVID in children. And also, please remember to vaccinate your children on time so as to protect themselves from other diseases that they will be vulnerable to in these times. Thank you, take care and stay safe.